Hey guys, so I woke up this morning and I said, that's it. I'm cleaning the refrigerator. I am tired of just ignoring it. It has gone way too far. The last time I did this, I took everything out first. This time I'm gonna do the drawers first, or all like the fresh produces and the cheeses, and get that cleaned out because I don't want everything to just be sitting. So we're gonna do a little bit at a time. All right, let me show you what I got going on. In the bottom area here, I keep like milk and creamer. So let me just show you, like, look underneath. Look at how disgusting that is. And I'm also gonna remove those labels. I've let this go so far. You can see how grimy and nasty it is. It's gotta go. I'm hoping that the steamer takes care of it. And then the main event, I actually have some stuff in here. I prefer to do it when I don't have a ton of stuff. That way it's a little bit easier. And I know I have stuff in here that has definitely expired. We're gonna do these drawers first, and then I'll take everything else out and do the shelves and give them a really good clean and get everything nice and organized again. I slacked off on using the containers to keep like the fresh fruit and vegetables in, and let me tell you what a difference it makes, because when you don't keep them in there, it just leaks all over the place. So going forward, I really need to do a better job. Using my Shark hand vac here to vacuum up some of the debris, and then I'm going to be going in with my steam shot. This is Bissell. I will link it down below. Some of them were recalled, so you need to be careful if you're using a model that was recalled, but I love this thing. It just gets away all of the mess. So I just blast it with the steam, and then you just wipe it up with a rag, and it really loosens a lot of the debris. I was able to use this for the majority of the cleaning, but some of it I did need to go in with my Dawn power wash. It also removes labels really well too. And apparently we barely use any condiments because this is all expired. That's good. And like I was saying earlier, it's a lot easier to do this clean out when you don't have a lot of groceries. So if you're planning on doing this, I would recommend doing it like right before you go out and do a big food shop, because you don't want to have to be taking everything out and then worrying about it going bad. Luckily, I have a garage fridge, which is where I put a lot of this stuff. Can I take you there? All right, I'm gonna go move a lot of this over to the other outside garage fridge so that it doesn't go bad when I am scrubbing. And everything here is either expired or we're not using, or it's used up. And a couple more tips when using a steam shot like the one I have is you don't want to hold it at any more than a 45-degree angle. And when you're filling it up, you need to wait like 5 minutes because it's going to be very hot on the inside. I actually like to just put on these pink gloves that I have, and that's how I like to handle it, especially when I'm steaming something that is close to my hand, because it will burn you, so you need to be very careful. So This thing helped me save so much time. I just steamed like the front and the back of it and then wiped it. It removed all of the dirt and debris. The only part that I got into some trouble with was the drawers that had a lot of caked on residue, so I needed to go in with the Dawn Power Wash and a brush to really kind of scrub it and get in there. But this thing is amazing and it saves so much time. And I listed the towel rags below in the description, as well as this big brush. I use this thing for everything. I have a couple of them. I got them from Target. They're really great. So this is the last drawer that I am cleaning. Now I get to put everything back. So I just washed all the produce, the new stuff, and I'm putting it in containers. So this way it doesn't seep to the bottom and make a mess, and it just saves a lot of time moving forward. drop it into the surface and it comes out perfect. Like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.